How many of us remember this style while growing up? Going to school, this is our favorite style. Plaiting it, and then off you go to school. Hello, my kings and queens. Love and greetings is coming from your favorite mom of 6. And here we are today to share a very easy and protective hairstyle. After 11 years of plaiting DIDI, I'm going to try this again on my daughter's hair to see how well I still remember how to plait DIDI. Please don't forget to leave your comment down below to score me how well did I remember how to plait DIDI after 11 years. DIDI have a lot of benefits whenever you do it on your hair. One, it helps your hair to grow faster. Another thing, it helps the front and the back hair to grow and prevent it from breaking. And thirdly, it lasts longer. I will allow you to enjoy the rest of this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel to see more of this type of videos and also a realistic lifestyle of a mom of 6.